favorite edition of the Law and You of the entire week, the Saturday morning edition right here on Eyewitness News. We have with us attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. I know how tough, Greg, it is to get off the dock and get in here from the lake, but we're glad both of you can make it today.
We did it. Honest to God. And we get coffee.
It's great.
It is.
Why do you treat us so well with your coffee? You're a good man.
We're going out for the extra value meal next. All right, here's our question this morning, and this one is about an allergy. I have an allergy to a specific pain medication, and after a minor surgery, they gave me this medication in the hospital. I had a reaction and had to stay an extra day. Is this something that I should pursue? So it sounds like someone did not follow, the allergies that someone had.
Sure. I mean, in any, look, in a medical malpractice case, you have to prove negligence, which certainly sounds like you have here. You have to prove causation, which means it caused an injury. It certainly sounds as though that happened as well. And you have to have damages. 1 day extra in the hospital, that just doesn't, that doesn't rise to the level of what you should pursue in terms of the damages on something like this. What I would suggest that you do, because obviously you don't want this happening to anybody else, is make sure that you talk with the patient advocate at the particular hospital. Make sure that this is documented, so that if this is a problem at the hospital, that may be a different story. But 1 day in the hospital, I don't think it's something you should pursue.
And the other thing too is make sure with regard to your personal file, make sure that that allergy is being addressed in your file, so that doesn't happen to you again, because that could be it could be worse next time. So, I mean, that would be one step. And then, with these medical malpractice cases, guys who do these cases like we do, they're very, very expensive to pursue. So the damage model, we see malpractice all the time, but it has to be bigger damages like Ed talked about. So, again, that's not a good, it's unacceptable, but is it something you can pursue? Probably not.
All right, our viewers who want to talk to you guys may need some legal direction. How can they reach you?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or if you have a question about medical malpractice, put it on our Facebook page. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
All right, Results Matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks. We will see you on Monday.
Thank you for the coffee.
You bet. PAHomepage.com, the Law and You hotline are always open.